People nowadays seem to like running more than ever, because unlike before, when most people could not even step outside because of the lockdown, they can now go outside and run whenever they want. I mean, who wouldn't want to go outside to run once in a while when it can give you so many benefits? It can help you prevent different diseases, lose weight, and improve your health. There are lots of studies that also prove that it can boost your confidence. Amazing, right? But of course, if you want to run seriously on a regular basis, you will need a good pair of running shoes. And since there are a lot of choices online, it could be hard for you to select the one that best fits your needs. Worry not. We have already done our research for you, and today we will share the top 7 best running shoes of 2023. If you want to know what those are, be sure to watch this video until the end. Make sure you like this video and also subscribe if you want to watch more of our videos in the future. For our number 7, we have the Brooks Ghost 15. If you are a heel striker, then this shoe might be the one that you're looking for. This shoe is popular for its 2 amazing features, which are its high heel-to-toe offset and its luxuriously comfortable upper. With a high 12mm drop, it doesn't put too much pressure on a rookie runner's Achilles, giving the impression that you're getting a lot for your money. Both experienced marathon runners and beginner marathon runners will definitely enjoy it. The DNA Loft V2 midsole foam, which the manufacturer claims is a blend of air, rubber, and EVA, is another incredible feature of this wonderful running shoe. While its tongue, collar, and heel tab are all thickly padded, the area around the ankle and Achilles is exceptionally comfortable. For improved visibility in the dark, there are reflective patches on the heel counter and the sides of the toe box as well. You should also be aware that the Ghost 15 has a generous midfoot, forefoot, and toe box and runs true to size. Additionally, due to how little its midsole compresses, it provides an incredibly supportive ride, making the Ghost 15 stable enough for even mild overpronators. These running shoes are likely the most stable daily trainer, to sum it all up. Number 6 on our list, the New Balance Rebel V3. This one is made specifically for you if you enjoy soft riding shoes. Even if you're a light runner under 60 kilograms, the shoe's juicy slab of fuel cell midsole foam compresses so much and effortlessly. As a daily trainer that can pick up the pace, it is an in-betweener trainer. Its base is bigger, its midsole is thicker, and its upper is newer than the V2 model. Additionally, it weighs 210 grams, which is a little heavier than the prior version's 208-gram weight. However, one thing to keep in mind is that the Rebel V3 is a little bit shorter than other running shoes, so most runners will need to size up. These shoes seem a little bit more sturdy and firmer but are still highly energetic, according to runners who have already tested them. The Rebel V3's midsole can best be described as spongy in terms of how it feels. Fuel cell foam feels very airy, light, and very compressible due to the nitrogen bubbles inside of it. Given that it has a 6mm drop, you should utilize it if you like to hit with your forefoot or midfoot rather than your heel. It makes a wonderful shoe for quick tempo or workout runs. Number 5. The Asics Gel Nimbus 25. Are you the type of runner that doesn't like a lot of ground feel and you want a stable and plush ride? If your answer is yes, then this is the running shoe you're looking for. Its midsole is far thicker than any previous Nimbus, exceeding the 4mm racing limit set by World Athletics. Additionally, those runners who have previously tried it out praised how smooth yet energizing the ride was. The cost is still $160, which is still the typical cost for shoes with maximum cushioning. It weighs 10.3 ounces for a men's US 9, which is just 3 grams more than last year's model, but nearly identical. It comes in the Platinum colorway, which is a shiny, emphasized silver finish. Additionally, you can anticipate that it will feel soft and silky to the touch and will stretch to fit your feet, because the upper of the Nimbus 25 is a brand new engineered weave mesh. Fourth on our list, the Mizuno Rider 26. The Wave Rider 26 is designed to withstand long distances. The Mizuno Energy Form provides a smooth ride, while the midsole is shielded and added grip by the sturdy rubber outsole. Because of its comfort and dependability, you can transition between speed work and recovery runs with ease thanks to its responsive Energy Foam, which has an active feel underfoot and offers balanced cushioning and reaction. It has a plush upper and is very soft all around. It is made up of recycled mesh, which offers your foot a terrific sense of security, while also allowing for just enough flexibility to prevent your foot from feeling confined. Since the materials is a little thicker, it will keep your feet warm during the chilly winter runs. Finally, there is just the appropriate amount of padding around the ankle. The tongue is gusseted and sufficiently cushioned to ensure that there is no discomfort when securing your laces. Number 3. The Altalone Peak 7. If you need a trail shoe that is both light and agile, this shoe is ideal for you. Its roomy foot-shaped toe box and 0mm heel-to-toe drop will give you a connected and secure ground feel as you cruise through single track or climb tough terrain. It's also nimble, versatile, and lightweight, giving you the protection you need to take on any route. Trail runners and hikers who prefer more space in the forefoot of their toes to spread apart can consider the Ultra Lone Peak 7. The Lone Peak's distinctive ground feel and roomy toe box will keep you at ease and confident no matter where your next adventure takes you, so your feet will be the last thing you have to worry about when you're spending long days on the trail. At number 2, the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 40. Given its reputation as a running shoe that can be used for practically everything, this shoe is ideal for you if you're searching for something versatile. This is a terrific running shoe. You can choose from whether you're running a long marathon, going for a fast morning jog, or taking a last-minute mountain hike. It's an adaptable and agile shoe that can easily manage high mileage or even cross-train and strength sessions. It has 2 Zoom Air units at the forefoot and heel that lends an energy to your step and keep you feeling energized for miles. And its Nike's React Foam will provide you a soft and responsive ride. The shoe's upper is created with a more durable technical mesh with added structure for a longer lifespan as well as a more breathable and comfortable fit. On the other hand, the heel shape offers the required stability in the model's back area, preventing needless movements throughout the race. The Nike Pegasus 40 continues to uphold the characteristics of a dependable, safe, adaptable, and dynamic training shoe in terms of technical parameters. Thus, its heel drop is 10 mm, giving you the assurance you need for every kilometer, and it weighs 288 grams in men's running shoes size 9.5 USA. We are now down to the last pair of running shoes on our list. So, for number 1, we have the Nike ZoomX Vaporfly Next 2. And the design of the carbon plate are what set it apart from the other running shoes currently on the market. It is unique and its rivals couldn't replicate it. These two technologies were combined to produce bottomless cushioning and explosive and great speed. But you should be aware that the third version of the Vaporfly series, the Vaporfly Next 2, only features a small improvement. It is one of the lightest carbon fiber racing shoes available at just 187 grams. You will also adore the fact that this running shoe is not only the lightest super shoe you have ever had, but also one of the most cushioned and propellant, which is an unmatched combo. And that's it for the top 7 best running shoes in 2023. Let us know in the comments if you decide to buy one of the running shoes we have shared today. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to the channel to know more about our future uploads. Until our next one.